We'll guide you through how to use Canva ChatGPT to enhance your design projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Canva's official website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the top menu and click on the Apps button. Here, you'll see a selection of different tools you can integrate into your design process. Scroll down until you find the ChatGPT app in the list. Click on it to open the app page. You'll see an option to connect or add the ChatGPT functionality to your Canva account. Click on that button and follow any prompts that may appear to authorize the connection. Once that's done, go back to your Canva dashboard and open or create a new design project. Now you'll notice a new option in the sidebar labeled ChatGPT. Click on it to open the chat interface here. You can ask ChatGPT for suggestions on design elements, get feedback on your current design, or even brainstorm ideas for a new project. You can type in specific questions or commands, like suggest colors for a spring-themed poster or what fonts pair well with modern design. ChatGPT will provide you with instant responses to help guide your design decisions. Remember to utilize this powerful tool to streamline your creative process and generate innovative ideas. It's like having a virtual design assistant right by your side. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.